Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am SM Sultan Mahmoud Jillu. Welcome and always congratulations to everyone from Sanad by Stake. Today I will present how to record a credit purchase via bill in QuickBooks Online in this video. Accurately recording credit purchase is essential for maintaining clear financial report and maintaining accounting payable effectively. In this session, I'll show you the step-by-step process of entering details bills into QuickBooks Online, ensuring accurate tax management, item tracking, and vendors management. Let's get started. Now we are looking at how to add purchasing account for office supplies. Example on. We go to the plus new button on the top left side and click on it. Now select bill under the supplier section and click here. Now fill in the bill header. Suppliers as per memo ABCD Stationery Limited, copy and paste and select address. Since the address is to stores software, it is coming automatically. Terms as per memo 30 days. Billing date 15 June, select. Due date, it is coming automatically, and invoice number, copy and paste billing number. Now we have to option for voucher posting, category details and item details. Category details, this option will be applicable if we do not need to calculate inventory. Item details, this option will be applicable if we do need to calculate inventory. We assuming that do not calculate inventory, so we are using category details. First item, printer paper, category office supplies. Copy and paste and select here. Printing paper, copy and paste. Amount $50, copy and paste. Purchase, VAT 10% tax, excluding, select 10% VAT. And second item as per memo, pens, category office supplies, copy, paste and select. Description, copy and paste. Amount $10 and paste. Select 10% VAT. Now write note credit purchase of printer paper and pens from ABCD Stationery Limited. Bill number as per bill, copy, paste. Attachment, select and click. Uploaded cash memo. Already updated. Save and new. We now see the voucher with magnifying glass. Select and click. Let look like a journal entry. So we go to more and transfer journal. Click. Select and click. Okay, write the voucher match according to cash memo. Now we are showing how equipment purchases are recorded in QuickBooks Online. Example 2. We go to the plus new button on the top left side and now click on it. Now select bill under the supplier section and click here. Now fill in the bill headers, supplier as per cash memo, XYZ text solution, copy and paste here. Add new XYZ text solution, create and save. Address as per cash memo, copy and paste here. Terms net 15. We select and click net 15. Bill due date, bill date 12 July, select and due date, it is coming automatically. Bill cash bill reference, copy invoice number and paste here. We have two options for voucher posting: category details and item details. Category details, this option will be applicable if we do not need to calculate inventory. Item details, this option will be applicable if we do need to calculate inventory. We assume that we do calculate inventory. So we are using item details. Now we are posting the first item as per bill. Laptop, first item laptop, copy, paste and select. Description as per bill, copy 2 units, paste here. Unit 2, rate $700, total 14,000, tax 7% excluding tax. Second item as per bill, installation service, copy, paste and select. Description as per bill, copy and paste. On $150, rate tax rate 0%. Note, carried purchase of laptop and installment services from XYZ Tech Solutions, bill number as per bill, add attachment, bill, select and upload it. Already uploaded, save and send. Send. We now see the voucher with the magnifying glass. Select and click, and voucher, select and click. Let look journal voucher, go more and transaction journal. Okay, right. The voucher match according to bill.